Well, hello there. If you are anything like me, you will like a good backpack that can make your life easier. Or actually, whatever can make your life easier. This is why today I have for you the new Torvol backpack. And I'm gonna unpack it with you. This is the new Torvol NEO line backpack and all the things that they are adding to it. But before I say too much, as you can see, I haven't unpacked it yet, so we're gonna do it all together. This is the backpack that is supposed to be made for daily use, as well as some adventures, content creation, and even drone adventures, FPV included. Now, I really hope I haven't cut it, because it doesn't really say not to cut it. And I have this really nice knife, which is purple. And I was like, I'm gonna use it because I haven't used it for a long time. Oh, okay, there was another box. Hey, look, inside of the box, there is another box. Loving it. Bye. I had a whole script for you, but now I'm gonna play with it. Ooh, I like the material. Oh, and it's magnetic too. Okay, okay. First impressions, you know, first impressions, I'm not gonna have too many things to do. But I'm interested. Okay. Oh. Now, I do like a good versatile backpack, which I can take for all the things, and that is getting rid of the thought of, oh my god, I need to repack the whole thing. Or having several backpacks for several different things. If I can have one for all, one ring to rule them all.
One ring to rule them all.
One backpack to rule them all, I'm gonna be really happy. And to be fair, Torvol has been listening to this crazy type of a feedback, and they were like, okay, hold my beer, this is what they came up with. I'm pretty excited. At the current state, you can get the Torvol NEO backpack with 3 pouches, but a little birdie told me that if the Kickstarter gets to some milestones, there's gonna be more. So, there is a small pouch, there is, where's the other one? Here, a little bit of a bigger pouch, and then there's this big monster of a pouch. Generally a lot of things that you can add to your backpack to make it more versatile. But first, let's focus on the coolest stuff inside of the main backpack. And for me, number one is the RFID pocket, which is just right here. So you can put your passport, your wallet, and just be sure that your passport and wallet will not be electronically scanned and, you know, stealing of your personality or your money from your bank. Can we just like make a really big petition to all of the backpack companies to be like, can we just include RFID pockets everywhere, please? Because paranoia. Next up, we do have a luggage strap. Now, you can see it just right here. I'm gonna show it to you with my hand. And also we have a little bit of a B-roll. The luggage strap is the thing that changed my life completely, especially when it goes to the air travel, because you don't have to figure out how to put your backpack on the suitcase, so you don't have to really, you know, work with it too much and try to get some type of a balance in there. You just have the strap and it makes everything so seamless, easy and everything. I'm not getting any backpack without this strap anymore. This is like a lifesaver. Staying on the back of this backpack, there is a secret pocket just right here, which is allowing you to put some stuff that you really don't want to get stolen, which can be like your cash, some documents, tickets, whatever you want to have in there that's supposed to be as safe as possible. Now, what you also get is the extendable top part of the backpack, and it's really cool because it has magnets, so there's no issue in here. They're pretty strong. And what I usually throw in here is like my snacks, so the things that I really need to or want to use at the beginning or somewhere during my travels. Extra loops up front for your drones, tripod, or whatever else you want to put in here. Those are pretty cool, and if you don't want them, you can literally remove them. Those straps can be removed. There is also adjustable chest strap for my girlies, and if you are not a girl, you may probably not understand how important this is in life, but this is really important thing in life, okay? If you don't want to look like Lara Croft hiking all the time. Yeah. Now, another cool thing is that those 2 pouches can be used on the inside or on the outside of the backpack. So, for example, this one can find its place somewhere in here on the front, and this is how you're gonna get a backpack that has this little pouch up front in here, and this one can actually go on the bottom. Okay, so we figured it out. So you put those straps through the back of the bag, and then you just put it here and here, so it doesn't have to be necessarily for the drone stuff only. And then you have a backpack with an add-on on the front, which can actually hold all the things that you need for like a longer flight and just unzip it, which is pretty cool. And for the other one, that means that this pocket here is for the same purpose. And obviously all of those pouches, and especially the big boy right here, is allowing you to change this from a daily backpack to which you just throw stuff into a professional camera backpack in which you have all of your gear, which actually is cool. I like it. And it's obviously fully customizable with those straps. Pretty cool stuff. And obviously for safety reasons, you are opening the main backpack from the back, so no one can just go and zip and take stuff away from you, which is actually pretty cool. I do enjoy it. And there's a lot of secret pouches and pockets in here for your random things. And of course, there is a laptop pad. Now let's talk about the pouches. This is the Neo pouch, and this has been designed for some type of cosmetics or laptop accessories or small accessories for your camera. You can actually just, you know, hang it somewhere if it's the cosmetic type of a thing, or you can just, you know, do whatever you want with it. It has magnetic pouches in here, so they actually just like stick together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, those are a little bit bigger, and 10. That's nice. Ooh, 11. Oh! Interesting, there was a cable in there. Oops. Ooh, 12. 12? Yeah, this is 12 pockets in this little pouch. So there's some serious organizational stuff, OCD approved, I hope. My OCD totally approves this one. Now, I'm personally gonna be using this more for like camera gear, camera accessories, and generally laptop accessories, because I don't really think this guy can handle my makeup pouch. Just saying. So, this one, pretty cool, really small. Next. Now, Torvol NEO pouch has been designed to protect your camera gear or like less serious setups for your camera gear. And this is pretty cool because it has this little pocket here that's allowing you to put like flat stuff inside. And also it has 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Absolutely customizable setup for your little pouch in here. Plus, it also comes with the strap, which is pretty cool because it means that you can just take stuff that you need for the backpack and then all of your camera gear in this. And then once you're ready, you just take this one off. There's no repacking, no nothing. So you end up with a little bag that's kind of like good for little trips for your travels or your content creation stuff. You just walk with this while all of your other stuff is in the backpack. Absolutely safe. So pretty cool setup for like smaller content creation trips or when you don't really have that much stuff going on in here. And also it opens like fully. Like you can open this thing for some reason up to this situation. Now, Torvol NEO Cube Pro is the size of the backpack really, and it opens just like this. It has a quick access pocket on this side right here, and it comes in with 6 absolutely customizable little flaps that are all, you know, Velcro, so you can do whatever you want inside of this bag. And I know everything's black, so it's pretty hard to get to know what's going on. And it has 1 pocket, 2 pockets, 3, 4, 5, no back, no back. But interestingly enough, it also has those little loops in here, so you probably can just adjust the straps to it and have it as a backpack by itself. This bag is actually designed to protect your most important content creation gear. So especially if you are going for a really big trip and there's a lot of things going on, this is the bag that you actually may want due to the fact that it's protecting extra against everything that may be happening. If you throw stuff, if there's a lot of, you know, vibrations, irritation, just throwing stuff around, this is going to be your friend. Now, if you have the backpack and you know that you need to pack for your little content creation trip and you have all of your content creation stuff in this particular bag, you can just throw it into the backpack and have it all at the ready. Everything's ready, everything's already you know, setup. And this is how it changed from your daily walker into something a little bit more robust. This is how you do it. It's done. All of it is packed. No need to do anything else. Let's go for our trip, yeah? But if you are going for a little bit of a smaller trip, you may want to use the smaller bag. Just throw it in because it fits, obviously. Throw your little accessories bag. Or not, you don't have to. Maybe you just want to throw your clothes in here and just be happy because everything you want is already inside. And this is how you have it. And then once you are at the stage or whatever you need to be, you just take out this bag with the strap. Or not, depends on you. And you can just go with all of the content creation stuff that you need, and that's it. That's literally it. So this backpack makes it so much easier to actually work with a lot of stuff. And those pouches, pretty cool because I'm going to totally pack this one as well as I can. And probably I'm gonna use some other things for organization too, because you know, OCD a little bit. Because still there is another pocket just in here. Ta-da! And it has an easy access to the inside. So if you have this bag in here, you can just take it out, whatever you want to do with it. Or you can just leave the big bag opened in a way in which it allows you to have quick access to the stuff that's just right in here. Or again, just use it as quick access to this one. Throw it somewhere. And also it has little pockets for like memory cards, maybe filters, your keys. I like this thing actually, to be fair. Now that I'm older, I actually realized that this thing is useful. There's also extra pockets in here. They fit my hand. This one maybe doesn't. It has another strap in here for safety, and also a small pocket with a zipper. I don't know for what yet, but I'm gonna figure it out. This looks pretty cool. And of course, let me just close it so it doesn't flop open on me. There is a pocket for your tripod with a little strap to protect it because those tripods can get really crazy. And also there is a quick access bag towards the side of the backpack. If this is not the most versatile backpack for content creators that are traveling or going anywhere, I'm not sure what is. To be fair, let's just say it now. Now you may be thinking, oh, things cute, Lexie, but how does it really work in real life and how are you going to pack it? So hear me out. I'm going to test this backpack in a hardcore way because I'm going to the airport and then to an amusement park in which I'm going to be making a lot of content with my fam. So you are in for a really hardcore trip, my dear sir, and I'm gonna take you with me. The Kickstarter campaign for the Torvol NEO line is now up, and I am leaving you the links to it in the description and in the pinned comment. Let's make it happen and get even more goodies. Now, this video turned out to be long enough, so I will save the real-life testing for another one. Be sure to check it out once live. Until then, stay awesome fam. Bye!